My name is Dr. Samir Puri and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I want to talk about clinical accelerators. You may have heard what they are, but if you didn't, it's basically a program with Dentsply Sirona. When you purchase a piece of equipment, capital equipment from Dentsply Sirona, an imaging unit, a prime scan, a milling unit, with that you get a clinical accelerator. The clinical accelerator includes 2 workshops from CDOCs. Now we used to just do CIREC courses, and you're very familiar with our CIREC history. We used to be called CIRECdoctors.com. But with the clinical accelerator program, we're also doing cone beam, ortho, endo, and implant workshops. Our cone beam workshops are led by oral and maxillofacial radiologists Dr. Don Tyndall and Dr. Heidi Kolfarber, along with Dr. Darren O'Brien and Dr. Ross Enfinger. We also have our endo workshops led by board-certified endodontist Dr. Diwakar Kinra. Our orthodontic workshops are run by Dr. Shalene Shah and Dr. Jessica Cohen. Both are orthodontists and have tremendous practices where they treat patients on a regular basis. And finally, our implant workshops are led by periodontist Dr. Farhad Bolchi and oral surgeon Dr. Doug Smale. These are amazing clinicians, they're amazing faculty members. Check out our new educational curriculum, and I'm sure you'll learn a lot. And if you purchase a piece of equipment from Dentsply Sirona, those workshops are included with the purchase. We hope to see you soon at one of our workshops. Happy CIRECing is what I used to say, but now let's say happy dentistry, because CDOCs is here to do it all for you.